Mark of Nestlé Professional. We believe at Nestlé Professional COVID-19 there's going to be a lot more customers out there that are going to be wanting plant-based products. So I'm super excited today to show you our fillet pieces. I'm going to do a slow cook to show you how it braises and holds its texture and structure. So I'm going to do a Goan curry with a turmeric pilau rice and naan bread. So slicing the onions, I'm going to use a claw and I'm just going to slice the onions nice and thin. I'm just going to add some of the vegetable oil to the frying pan. Add the onions into the frying pan. I'm also going to caramelise the sliced onions for the turmeric rice. Just add the oil to the rice for the onions. Add the onions. This is going to take about 20-25 minutes. Just going to cook them on a slow heat to really get that caramelisation. Really effective way that you can use a actual spoon to peel your ginger. So all I'm going to do is just use the back of the spoon, as you can see there. Just a really quick way to peel the ginger, hardly any waste. Okay, so we've got some garlic there. Smash it there with the heel of your hand, peel it. Again, smash it with the heel of my hand. What I'm going to do then is just chop it a little bit more. So I'll put that with the garlic I've done earlier on. So now the onions have been cooked and caramelised for about 20-25 minutes, just to show you then what they look like in the pan. That's the sort of thing I'm looking for, a really nice slow caramelisation. That will really boost the flavour. I've also fried some onions for the rice. I've not taken them on as much, but there's a caramelised onions there. So for the rice, I'm just going to add some cumin seeds, turmeric, and red chilli. With red chilli, don't want the seeds in. Just use the back of a spoon, take out the seeds. Just slice the chilli open. Just slice it into little pieces. Chiffonade. I'm going to add this to the rice. Or the onion, should I say. Cook that for about 5 minutes. So to start building the curry up, I've got the caramelised onion. I'm going to add green chilli. So this time round, I want all the seeds in there. I like a little bit of heat. So I'm just going to slice that up into little pieces. Or dice that up. I'll go into the onions for the Goan curry. Start building the flavour with the spices now. So we've got the garlic, ginger, coriander, the cumin, and the turmeric. Fry that for a couple of minutes to get the flavours going. I've just been frying the onions, caramelising them with the cumin seeds and the red chilli. Now what I'm going to do there is 1 part basmati rice to 2 parts boiling water. I'm going to bring that to the boil, then reduce the heat and just pop a lid on and simmer it really gently for about 15 minutes. So my dry spices have been cooking for about 5 minutes. That's now what they look like. So to that I'm going to add some tomato sauce. Some coconut milk powder, or coconut milk. So what I'm going to do now is blitz that a little bit with a hand blender, and then from that I'm going to drop my Garden Gourmet fillet pieces in. Okay, so I've just blitzed my sauce with a hand blender. As I said, personally I like it a little bit smooth. Drop in there the Garden Gourmet fillet pieces. About 20 mils is going to go in there. That's it. Now all I'm going to do now is braise that for about 15 minutes so it takes on the flavours. What I'll do with the rice is put some foil on the top. As I said, I've put water straight out of the kettle. 2 parts water to 1 part rice. So the fillet pieces have been simmering there for about 15-20 minutes just to really take on the flavour. As you can see, that's just ready to serve now. All I'm going to do now is literally finish it off with some tamarind paste. And put some chopped coriander in there. Doesn't have to be too fine, I like it quite rustic. And go into the curry. Naan bread can go into the pan. Just a dry pan with naan bread, 2 or 3 minutes either side. So there's the turmeric rice. You can see how that looks now. Just to finish off with a little bit of dairy-free yoghurt, a couple of green chilies, coriander there, lime, just a little squeeze of lime juice. Goan curry, or a vegan Goan curry with our Garden Gourmet fillet pieces, with a turmeric peel and rice and naan bread. So thank you for watching me make our vegan fillet piece curry with our Garden Gourmet fillet pieces. The next video I'm going to do is a Portuguese burrito bowl. We'd love to hear your comments, so please get in touch, let me know what you guys think. Thank you.